The good news about Jesus has come to Luke chapter 19 from verse 28 to verse 40. Jesus going to Jerusalem like one king. After Jesus said this, him go and make him way go to Jerusalem. Same time him a come near Bethpage and Bethany and Mount Olive, he send 2 followers them and said to them, say, go to the district in front of uno, and when you go in, you find one young donkey when nobody never ride yet, tie up there. Loose it and carry it come. If nobody asks you, say, what make you not loose it? Tell them, say, the Lord want it. Them go and find everything just like how Jesus tell them. When them a loose the donkey, the owner asks them, say, when you a loose the donkey for? Them answer, the Lord want it. Them carry it go get Jesus. Put some of them jacket pan the donkey back and put Jesus with sit down pan the donkey. Same time Jesus arrive go, people are spread them jacket pan the road which part him a pass. When him reach which part the road start go down Mount Olive, the whole them follower them, we did a walk back at him, did start to get happy and praise God loud for all of the miracle them where they see. Them say, God bless the king when him send come. Him send him with fame, honor, power. Make peace rule in a heaven. And praise to God will live in a heaven. Some Pharisee in the crowd said to Jesus, Teacher, tell your follower them to keep them mouth and not do that. Jesus said, if them no make no noise, them stone ya, them will ball out. And Gad Wod Dis, thank God